Well, winter in Utah usually means snow, but this year it's just cold, gray, and kind of gloomy. Well, if your mood has been feeling the same way, you are not alone. KSL lifestyle contributor Mindy Dunyon is here to share some everyday mood busters to help you survive the winter blues. And I know how much you love the snow. You're just talking about like usually getting out and skiing, but
it's
this winter,
this winter. I mean, I do. Usually that's my therapy. I'll get out, I'll ski a couple times a week. Obviously, you still can do that, but it's just not as tempting as usual. And so I've been searching for ways to kind of just boost my mood and kind of get me through the rest of these winter months.
Yeah, and I can't wait to get into what you brought along here with us. We do want to stress, though, that these are just mood busters, but for some of us folks who might be out there, maybe really experiencing some serious issues, whether it's depression or, you know, things like that, there's definitely professional help out there available. But you have brought along some things
just fun products to kind of, you know, give you that little boost in the morning or at night or whenever you're kind of feeling like you need something. So this first, I'm getting so, like, I'm seeing this everywhere. This is the Himalayan salt lamp. And it is really great. They recommend using this kind of when you're looking to wind down or relax. So this isn't going to like give you energy and wake you up. It's more of just like
kind of like a signal to, you know, when it's after a long, hard day at work, it's like this, it's time now to kind of clamp down.
Exactly.
Okay.
There's some people that say the salt has some healing benefits with the negative ions, but for me more, it's just that soft glow and that light. If you have that in your room, kind of when it's dim and you can see that glow, it's perfect.
It's a visual reminder.
Yes.
All right.
Then this is kind of the opposite. So this is light therapy, and you want to use this more to wake you up. So this is supposed to mimic like the sun. And when you wake up, if you use this, it should kind of give you more energy, help you focus, give you the motivation that you may need. A lot of people will put this next to their desk while they're doing their work just to kind of boost the mood and keep them going. There are different levels of glow, so if that's a little bright, you know, there's different levels.
I definitely want to put that to the test. You know, I wake up early, working the morning shift, and so like to plot that on your desk and see what kind of, you know, mood it might elicit.
It's true.
I'm willing to try it.
You know, when you can't go outside and get that sunlight right first thing, especially for someone like you, this might help for sure.
All right, so we want to talk scents here too as well?
Yes, so this kind of mixes scent with light.
Okay.
I love this. It's a diffuser. You put some water in there and then you add your favorite essential oils. So if you want to, whatever you want to smell, you put it in there and it comes out. And this too, this will change different colors of light, which is kind of fun. Just change the glow, change the ambiance in your room.
It's kind of a nice little combo too, because you know, scents like all this like citrusy, lavender, vanilla, all that.
Yeah, and this kind of like, I don't know if you can hear it, but it almost has a hum to it. So if you have this in your room, it can kind of be relaxing. And then yes, speaking of scents are big. Well, these are big mood boosters. Like, you know, you can bring scent in with just a candle or soap. Citrus is always good. A lot of people think of it just for winter, but or just for summer. I love it for winter because it kind of like reminds you that summer is on the way.
We need that this winter.
Yep, there's a lot of good scents. If you don't love the citrus, there's always the lavender, the jasmine, vanilla, cedarwood. Depending on if you kind of need like an energy boost or more relaxation, you can get that from your scents.
I love that. The light, the scents, the combo, putting that all together. We just need that little boost this winter, right?
Especially this winter.
Yeah. And we can find all of these on our website?
Yes. If you just go to KSL TV and then go to the noon show page, these will be linked.
Mindy, thanks so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
your time.